Turning your engine 1N364. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Same as well like on this side. Everything looks good with engine. Starter not broken, as you can see. Gearbox on the good conditions. And on this side you don't see any damage. Altimeter looks nice. Same as well like a compressor. All windows without any water inside, as you can see. And on the top all connectors are broken. And on the bottom all sound without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 1N364.